First of all, for context, we are watching the 3 minutes chart for Monday, the 4th of September, just before the silver bullet begins. As of Monday, we expect consolidation or a Judas swing for the weekly range, or a return into this week's new week opening gap. The latter will be my silver bullet bias, as or have encountered strong resistance at the bearish daily fair value gap, and we have a daily bullish fair value gap that could draw on liquidity for today's daily range. Here we have this week's new week opening gap, and then the last 3 days session gaps that are in this case all overlapping. Lastly, for the daily liquidity, we have 2 old high and 1 old low. Looking at the 1 minutes, we can see how often the simple SMT is redundant and of less importance if compared with the intraday SMT, highlighted by the triangles above and below chart. Therefore, we could just use the latter in order to keep the chart clean. Here we broke this small consolidation and we switched to bearish. Then we have a series of bearish all fair value gaps on 1, 2 and 3 minutes time frame. We are definitely aiming for the new week opening gap. So now it's a matter of waiting for some retracement into any of the bearish all fair value gaps, or we may be looking at an institutional order flow entry drill. As long as the stops are at the top of the inefficiency, which in this case would be around $2, we should be fine, as we expect the low resistance liquidity run to continue to the bottom of this week's new week opening gap. On our demo, we could have entered here with the institutional order flow entry drill. If we were demo short here, using the institutional order flow entry drill, we would be looking at taking profit here at plus $5 according to the silver bullet framework. Here we would be out already, but I just want to see if we can tap the bottom of the new week opening gap. That is it for today.